Welcome to another ABS online video. Come and talk with us. It's a very different day today. Why? We are not looking at new words. Why? We are going to use definitions. What? Definitions. What? A definition tells us what the word is without using the word. What? Let's get some help from some friends. We're going to give you some definitions. It is an animal. Snake? No. It is an animal with 8 legs. Oh, spider. Yes. Great. That means a good definition for a spider is an animal with 8 legs. That's a great definition. We don't use the word spider, but we know what the animal is. Another one, please. It's an animal. Spider? No, not this time. It has 4 legs. Lion. Not yet. It lives on a farm. Okay, sheep. Not a sheep. It gives us milk. Okay. Cow. Yes, a cow. A farm animal with 4 legs that gives us milk. That's a good definition for a cow. One more. These are fun. This is in your home. Bed. Not yet. It is in your living room. TV. No. You sit on it. Sofa. Yes, sofa. This is something you sit on in your living room. That's a good definition for a sofa. Now, let's start with the full definition. This has got 2 wheels and it can go fast. Okay, it must be a motorbike. It has 2 wheels and it goes fast. You have to open it to get into a room. Is it a door? Door? Yes. Okay, they were easy. But why do we use them? Why use a definition? If you don't know what something is, you can describe it to a teacher, and they can give you the word. Okay, this is a scary animal with lots of teeth that lives in the sea. Do you know what it is? It's a shark. This is a special doctor who takes care of your teeth. Who is it? It's a dentist. Now, let's look at the picture first. Okay, I think we all know what they are, but what would be a good definition? You wear them on your feet, inside your shoes. What are they? Socks. Okay, so I think we all know what she is doing. Let's think about a definition. This is what you do in bed when you are very tired. That's a good definition for sleep. Definitions are great. Every word has one. When you understand definitions, you can learn new words quicker. Today, we can't say, use the words today, don't let them slip away. That would be all the words in English. So just try to make your own definitions and have lots of fun. So thank you for today, guys. Go and have fun with definitions. We hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please subscribe and help us grow and grow.